Eel River Cafe for breakfast day, and it's early, kinda. It's early-ish. Yeah, look at this. Isn't this adorable? I'd have to sit at the bar. All right? Yeah. Howdy. The Redwoods are kind of split up into two parts. There's this part that we're in right now, which is the Avenue of the Giants, and then there's the Jedediah Smith State Park north of Eureka, which is where Paul Bunyan statue is, and stuff like that. I think we're going to do both. We're going to do stuff down here and the stuff up there. We're going to start down here on the Avenue of the Giants. We'll pass those groves that you mentioned. Yeah. And if we want to, we can get out. We can take some pictures and stuff like that.
We can find the albino redwood.
See if we can find the albino redwood, which would be really cool.
What does that look like? It looks like a white tree, not in winter. And there's only about 700 of them worldwide.
Okay.
So it's very rare.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see what we can do. All right. Well, let's get in our cars because it's cold out here.
Yeah.
It needs to be warm. All right. I love you both. Oh, so cute. Off we go.
Well, we're in Northern California, and we are on our way to the Avenue of the Giants. I love the redwoods here on the Northern California coast. They are absolutely spectacular, and I'm looking forward to going to see that. After that, we're going to wind our way through the Avenue of the Giants, and then we'll be continuing north through Eureka to Jedediah Smith State Park. I'm not sure if we'll actually visit that state park or not, but at the very least, we are going to visit. There's a tourist stop along that route where there's this enormous Paul Bunyan statue with Big Blue Ox, and we have to go there and take some photos, and we'll also do their tour there. They have some really, really cool redwoods there. So that's what's on the agenda for today. We're gonna do all of that. And we're going to get to Port Orford today by the end of the day, and we'll be taking you with us. So stay in your seats, stick around, there's so much more to see. I'm just hoping that maybe there's like a pamphlet or something. There used to be some that you could pick up there's at the front of the Redwoods. Here we are. So this tells you where all of the groves are.
Cool.
And you can look through there and see if you can find there should be the Founders Grove, I think, is on this drive, and I think the Women's Grove, I think. All right, here we go. All right, we're in the Founders Grove. Let's go check out the tree. Should be pretty cool.
That had to feel weird.
I think it's over there somewhere.
Over there.
Where? Oh,
Talking to kittens.
I think
I would look for great.
I think I see it.
Tight lower limb. Was that for more than a limb? The bark piece.
Did you get a fun picture?
You want to come do it with us?
Sure.
You're on 10-second timer. And you can decide what kind of face. You gotta look into the camera, not up. Because
Okay.
all it gets is your body.
You got it.
10 seconds. Starting now. What kind of face are we doing? Well, let's do weird faces.
That's pretty good. I like it. All right, we have seen the Founders Tree.
I got a really great.
Yeah? Let's see. Oh my God, that's. We're at the Redwoods Visitor Center. Isn't that nice? So pretty. I do remember they have a really cool old camper in here.
Then it's the right one.
Super cool.
Yeah. And it's
Have you-
gonna be warm.
Have you been there? Have you seen it? Are you cold? You look cold. You did not dress for this.
I never dress appropriately.
Hey, all you fun guys and gals. Yep.
Hi. Good
Howdy.
And it's like 11 o'clock, 30. I mean, it was probably in the 30s last night.
Yep. Nope. Not unless I'm in a van.
Yeah.
Well, we're approaching Trees of Mystery. We're about 5 minutes away. Now, Trees of Mystery is a little tourist stop along the Redwood Highway here in Northern California. It's been there for many, many years. I don't even know when it was founded. But in any case, it's a fun little place that we like to stop at. They have a nice little grove of redwoods there that they have a self-guided walking tour for. I've been thinking about how do I want to photograph this for you, and I think I'm going to do it in 3D. I was thinking about using the Insta360 Pro. There's the sign. There was the sign, Trees of Mystery, 3 miles away.
Their name means caribou poop is here. The name of, that's what they're...
Well, okay. See my comments in our episode about Cannon Beach were on point. See, you go where the elk poop are. Yes. It's a 360-degree 3D camera. So it takes everything in it all at once. It has 6 lenses, and you merge them together.
It looks like something from outer space. This looks like a little robot.
Yep. There we go. You don't mind if I put it there, do you? For a minute? While we're browsing? All right. Let the adventure begin.
$90.
Does that include the...
It includes everything on the trail.
Awesome.
Uh-oh.
Sasquatch!
It's a squatch.
See, that's why we don't know that they're out. We can't confirm they're out there. They're so good at hiding.
That's
true.
Very much a panda here.
Go to
You
town.
got it.
I want you to be... The goal of these trips is to panda. I'm panda-ing right here. I am taking off the 3D camera lens. Well, here we are at the entrance to the trail, eh? You two are adorable.
Just because I know you love that.
I love it so much. It makes me insanely happy. You're so cute.
Oh, it is an elephant tree. It has an elephant nose. Well, here we are at Trees of Mystery. You must.
Might.
Wait. I have to get a camera in place. Don't you move yet.
Okay, here we go.
Everybody's doing it.
There you go, you're making it.
You can do it. You can do it. Oh no, the octopus is gonna get you. It's the octopus tree. It's gonna get you.
Oh, that is a lot of work.
It is a lot. It's a lot more work than I put into it.
Now I got this.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Look at you, victory.
fun. It sure has.